Hi guys, welcome to this complete Bybit tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to navigate or manage the Bybit interface and place trade faster with confidence. In these tutorials, you will learn the Bybit home screen, how it works, the market page, the spot versus future trading, the market limits, and also risk management, with also common mistakes beginners made. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do subscribe, like the videos, share the videos so that it can go viral and a lot of people can gain value from it. So now you can actually look at the Bybit interface. If you secured a verified Bybit account, this is the first thing you will see. You'll see the home screen, which contains the reward hub, where you can get rewarded, perform few activities and get rewarded. P2P trading, this is where you can actually use your fiat to get USD. Launch pool, this is where some coins have been launched before it really come to the market. The invite friends, the earn, this is when you earn, like a flexible earnings, when you save and earn, card, and also more. So when you click on more, you see a lot of activities that are actually happening on Bybit right here. You can click on them, like you can look at them carefully and also make use of your own choice. All right, so the second thing that you will see, you will look at the market page. This is the market page, and when you come down here, like deep down here, you will see something written market. So in this market page, you can see a lot of coins that are all the coins that are actually available, the ones that are trading against USD, and also the ones that are trading against USDC, sorry. Okay, so you will find everything here. Any kind of coin that is available right on Bybit will be fine here. This is the market. This is where everything is available. So in the market, you need to decide which type of market you want to see. Do you want to see the future market? This is where we are currently, or you want to see the spot market, or you want to see the watch list, the trade fee, the alpha coins, and also the options. Whatever market you want, this is exactly what you just click, and you get what you want. Okay, then we're going to look at the spot trading. All right, this is spot. So we're going to click on the spot. In this spot trading, this is where you can actually trade a coin of your choice on that spot. And in future trading too, you can actually trade coin there, but it's different. Future trading, you trade with leverage, while in spot trading, you only trade with what you have. Okay, so now in spot trading, whenever you want to trade any particular cryptocurrency coin like BTC, you're going to click on it. After you click on it, you click on buy. Okay, or you click on top here to take you to where you can actually buy. So when you come to this place, you can just input your figures and click on buy. I'll drop you a complete video that shows you how to buy on the descriptive section so that you can go through it and also check. So I will not be touching there on this class so that this video will not be jam-packed. All right, okay, so we're going to look at the next one, which is the feature trading. That's what we're going to look at, the feature trading. So now we click on the feature trading. In this feature trading, the difference is that it has a what? It has a leverage. And another difference is that your money can be liquidified. Your money can be liquidified all without something left for you. With no USD left for you. So when you click on any particular crypto coin of your choice, you're going to click on how you can start buy. You can see here there is a leverage and also there is an isolation. So you must take care of these two places. I'll drop you a video that interprets how to trade feature and at the description section so that you can actually learn from it. All right, so the next thing is that we're going to look at those risk management. Let's look at those risk management. You know, if you're trading a particular cryptocurrency coin, you must do what? You must manage risk, because you must keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Price can rise or fall dramatically in a very short period of time. So there is significant risk of losing money when it has to do with cryptocurrency coin. So the next thing you just need to do is to make sure you manage this risk so that you can be safe with your USDT. All right. So how do you actually manage this risk? Number one risk management strategy I'm going to give it to you is that you must trade not more than you can lose. Okay, start your trading with small money, and again you must set a stop loss. I'll drop a video that talk about this particular stop loss. You can see here you must set a stop loss, TP, and also SO. Okay, take a profit and also stop loss. You must set it also. Yes, which means you must set your order limit, right? So whatever you're doing, do not play with stop loss and also take profit, which is why I always advise many beginners to start with very small amount. Okay, with that small amount you can learn the market, you learn how the market works, the market movement, and also avoid investing more than you can lose. All right, you must avoid investing more than you can actually lose to avoid mistake. Okay, so I say you should start with a small money. Okay, you should also not chase pump. You know, a lot of new beginners chase pump, which is why they gain a lot of issue on it. Maybe for example you see a particular cryptocurrency coin that have already pumped, but that pump have actually dragged you into start trading the coin after the coin has already pumped. It's very wrong. Okay, like coin has already attained 82 here and you are trying to trade again. It's very wrong. You shouldn't do that, because if you do that it will drop with you and you lost a lot of money. Okay, and also do not use excessive leverage, like the leverage I showed you, couple of seconds ago. You should not use excessive leverage. Like in this place you're seeing 10 leverage here. A lot of people will turn this place to 50 or even 100. Your money can be lost. It could be liquidified in a very short time. Okay, so do not use excessive leverage. Okay, do not also use all those risk management we listed. Do not ignore them. Okay, do not also trade without plan, and also do not follow random social media. This one is pumping, this one is this, and you follow it up, you're not going to affect you badly. So you must be very cautious whenever you're trading cryptocurrency coin. So this brings me to the end of this very class. If you do have any questions, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.